Now this is my side. Listen, look, and listen, and learn.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of our podcast. I am your host, Jadrian Morales.
Hi, I'm Lynn from Las Vegas Models.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
You wouldn't last an hour in the asylum where they raised me.
Alam mo, Yupi, may gusto lang akong sabihin sa'yo, okay? Matalino yung tingin ko sa sarili ko bago ako pumasok sa paaralang to! Matalino! Magaling! May binabat-bat, may pinagmamalaki! Ngayon, bobo na ako! Oo na, Yupi! Ako na ang bobo!
People never change. Science tells us that our genetic imprint predetermines your fate, your fate, your fate, 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 fate.
Because of the gravity inside the popcorn. Because of the gravity inside the popcorn. Because of the gravity inside the popcorn.
Lights on, lights off. Lights off. Sex or chocolate? Sex, Tito Boy. Boobs or butt? Boobs, Tito Boy. Bubuksan ko ang puso mo ngayon. Anong pangalan ng babae ang nakasulat dito?
Lalaki po si Chaolong. Hindi po siya buntis.